Tanya at Banchory and Banchory here. So today we're going to do something a little bit different. On my grid here I've got 3 outfits, and out of these 3 outfits I can give you 9 days outfits wear. And on the reel behind me I have got some more outfits that I can do the same with. Or if you prefer, there are 12 outfits in total and you can wear those for your 12 days holiday. So we're going to start and I'm going to show you how it's done. So we've got Sahara at the beginning here. This is our Tara veil, and this also is Tara veil. So all you need to do, once you've changed it out, is switch them over, slide them along. From 3 outfits, you now have 6. And if we slide them along again, we now have 9 outfits. So that's just with 6 pieces. So if we change these out, we'll go on to the next ones that we have. So I'm going to slide these away, and they will follow on with the other colours that are falling through as well, with some of them to build on. So the little white one there you will see will match up with the ones that are coming on, but I'm going to take it away anyway. Then we're going to add on this one by Tribal Jeans. We've got the trouser and the top. Then we've got a fantastic outfit, nice relaxed fit from Alison's that you could dress up for a wedding if you wanted to as well. So you've got that one there, and a nice loose fitting top. And then we have by Sahara, the orange elasticated waist trouser that you have there, and a little top with a little cream top underneath as well, just to add in as well. So that will also work with these as well. So you've got 3 outfits on the grid. Now you want to change it out so you've got a different look. So just slide your top along. And now you have 6 outfits. Simple again. Take this one away, slide it across, and there you have your 9 outfits in this colour combination. Okay, so we're going to slide these away, and we're going to use some different ones behind. Take these ones out. There's lots of different ways of putting your pieces together, ladies, and we're just showing you a few. So this time we have got my Tara veil, the cream. Now you saw that would have gone with your black and white Tribal Jeans as well outfit. So that's a cream one. Then we've got another outfit by Alison's, absolutely fantastic. Now remember, you're not going to see the trousers behind, but they are there, ladies, because it has a dip hem at the back. Beautiful, it's lovely and soft to wear. And then not forgetting our Rebelle Happy jackets and trousers, ladies. We've got to add these in to your wardrobe, so you can choose which colours that you would like. And we've popped a little cream top underneath. So there we have a colour combination in the blues, 3 pieces. So again, we're going to slide them across, and remember your cream trousers will be underneath. And do it this way. Oops, that's easier putting it on yourself than a grid. And there we have 6 different looks. So again, if we slide it across, this time we're going to do it this way. And there's your 9 different looks in the turquoises and the creams. And then the last one that we're going to show you, ladies, so that you can see, as I said, you could build this up for a 12-day holiday if you wanted. If you don't want to change clothes out and you want to do something different every single day, but if you do want to mix them up, it's a great way of doing it. So this time we've got our white Rebelles on the grid, and with a lovely top by Nia in the greens. Then we have a fantastic green top by Aura, that you can see there. Mix that up with a pair of drawstrings, wide leg trousers by Nia. Pop those underneath. And then the last piece, which is absolutely fantastic. Again, you could dress this one up or dress it down. You've got the pleating on there. Fabulous trousers, ladies, and the top that goes with it. So there we have 3 outfits, and then we're going to make it into 6 outfits just by sliding it along and changing your tops and your trousers together. Just about get away with this one. Oops, there we are. So you've got it there, and then to change it out again, slide it over, and you've got the black with white, and then you've got that one there as well. So it's just to give you some ideas, ladies. This is just some combinations. There's so many ways of putting things together. You can decide and choose for your own colours. Don't forget your Rebelle Happy jackets and trousers. As I say, they go with absolutely everything, which is a little top underneath as well. So everything you'll see online, give us a wee phone on 01330825655 or pop in and see us. We'll see you again soon.